Your iPhone is actually faster than Apple wants you to know. In iOS 26.2, there is a hidden setting buried deep in the accessibility menu that unlocks instant touch response and removes animation lag. I'm Protech Genius, and today I'm showing you the secret trick for a lightning-fast iPhone. The secret: haptic touch duration. The first step to making your phone feel brand new is shortening the response time for every long press. Go to Settings, Accessibility. Touch Haptic Touch. Set the touch duration to fast. This significantly reduces the delay when you're interacting with icons and menus. Now that your menus are snappier, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. The speed hack: reduce motion. To make the iPhone feel truly instant, we need to bypass the fade animations Apple uses. Go to Settings, Accessibility. Motion. Turn on Reduce Motion. This replaces the slow zoom animations with a lightning-fast crossfade, making every app open instantly. The unlock trick: touch accommodations. This is the unlocked secret. We're going to force the screen to ignore accidental delays. Go to Settings, Accessibility. Touch accommodations. Turn it on, and set Ignore Repeat to the lowest setting, 0.10s. This makes the screen feel way more sensitive and responsive to your taps. Bonus: the secret RAM clear hack. If your phone feels sluggish, you can unlock a secret RAM purge. First, go to Settings, Accessibility. Touch and turn on Assistive Touch. Now, go to the Power Off screen by pressing Volume Up then Power. Do not slide it. Tap the Assistive Touch button and long press the Home button icon. Your screen will flash. This just cleared your RAM and gave you an instant performance boost. Your iPhone is now officially unlocked for maximum speed. But making your phone faster can drain the battery quicker. If you want to keep this high performance without losing your battery life, you must watch my guide on the proper battery settings to boost battery life. Hit that like button, subscribe to Protech Genius, and click the video on your screen right now to master your battery life on iOS 26.2.